Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Picking up from yesterday's video, Bitcoin broke out of the short-term range between 93,700 and 95,200. Just like on May 1st, it didn't stop at the yellow horizontal of 96,000. It blasted through and peaked today at 97,700. After rejection, it's now ranging between blue and gray horizontals, showing signs of moving higher. My long wave strategy on the 1-hour time frame exited at 97,300. The entry was 96,300, a solid wave ride. My other trades from 94 and 96,000 are still open. I'm waiting for a breakout to 100,000 before I consider closing. The 3-day liquidation heat map shows two hot zones. The short liquidation pocket lies between 97,700 and 98,800. On the downside, the long liquidation zone is between 94,000 and 92,200. I currently favor the upside and expect a move toward 100,000 soon. On smaller time frames, we see leverage stacking around the psychological 100,000 level. High leverage shorts are being opened, likely by late bears. If they get squeezed, the move could be violent. From the macro side, in the May 7th FOMC meeting, the Fed held rates steady at 4.25 to 4.5%. This was fully priced in by markets. Bitcoin held firm around 96,700 after the announcement. Now, all eyes are on Powell's tone. A hawkish stance could drag Bitcoin to the 91,500 to 92,000 support zone. But if Powell hints at future cuts, Bitcoin could launch straight into the 100,000 region, right where short liquidations are stacked. With 164 million in recent liquidations and leverage still high, volatility is far from over. But long-term projections remain intact. Mid to high 6 digits by late 2025 remains a valid scenario, supported by easing policy and Bitcoin's macro appeal. I will continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time trading thoughts. Click the like button if you got value from this video. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.